I think one of the feelings that I've always grown up with, which, you know, I think therapy will only be able to fix because I've not been able to get over it, is the feeling of not being enough. Constantly feeling like, you know, your parents want somebody better than you. And so your first instinct is to be that person, you know, study more, behave properly. And then you see कि तुम जितना भी कर लो, it's not enough. That's when you give up and you're like, अब तो भाई जो मैं कर रहा था वो भी नहीं मिलेगा. So I just felt like, and I don't know if it was their fault or not, or maybe it's just how my brain is hardwired to believe that. I just never felt like I was enough. So my rebellion came.